Mary Barnett. Illustrations by My Way in Education. The car that went beep beep went up a hill that was very, very steep, and over a ditch that was very, very deep. The boop boop car drove very, very far, up the hills and down, on the road that led to town. Then the bug-a-lug car went jug-a-lug. It stopped and picked up a snail that needed to buy a new shell. It stopped to pick up a cat that needed to buy a new hat. It stopped to pick up a frog that needed to buy a new log. It stopped to pick up a rabbit that needed a riding habit. It stopped to pick up a mouse that needed to buy a new house. Then a butterfly that wanted new wings, so he could fly away next spring. "Preposterous," said a rhinoceros. "You're too small to carry us all." But the boop boop car just went beep beep and went up a hill that was very, very steep. Beep beep, boop boop jug-a-lug. The end.